Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to show you how to install our HitchMount LED pod like you see here on this 2021 F250 Super Duty. Let's get started. First, if you went with our C1R, you'll notice your harness has a small black box connected with a purple wire. This controls the safety strobe feature on the C1R. If you want to disable the strobing, simply cut this wire. You can always splice it back together to regain the strobing function. For our application, we'll be keeping the wire intact. Next, locate the 7-pin trailer connector and move under the vehicle. Reach up and unplug the factory harness by squeezing the retention clip holding it in place, and plug the included 7-pin harness in line, making sure all connections snap securely. With your harness connected, route the DT connector through the back of your trailer hitch. Since this vehicle has a 2.5-inch hitch receiver, we'll need to swap the hitch mount housing. To do this, hold the current housing in place and push the pod towards the front until it releases. Grab the new 2.5-inch housing and snap the pod into place. Next, grab your hitch mount and insert the DT connector until it snaps into place. Then, simply slide the pod into your hitch and test for functionality. If you need to use your hitch again, simply remove the pod, unplug it, and use the included dust cap to protect the DT connector. Our hitch mount can also work with a locking pin. Cut the tabs off the side of the hitch mount housing and you're good to go. And there you have it. Within minutes, we've added a significant increase in reverse light output, an additional red running light, and thanks to the C1R, a high-powered fourth brake light as well. If you're interested in picking up a HitchMount LED pod for your truck or any of our other products, be sure and visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure and like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.